welcome to the channel, guys. This is a 2004 Honda ST1300. I wish I actually recorded me picking up this bike. And this is going to be the project bike for the channel. So far, I haven't really recorded much that I've done to the bike. The bike was non-running when I picked it up, and the issue was the ignition. So it did not come with a key. So the guy who had it before me figured that he would replace the ignition and try and get it started, but he wasn't able to get it started. To get the bike started, what I ended up doing was taking the Chinese ignition. I took this apart. I took the OEM one apart, and I took the cylinder out of the OEM, which that's all the pieces right there. And I placed the Chinese cylinder in the OEM so that the key would work, because the bike didn't come with a key. When I did originally get the bike, I actually cut this in half because I didn't think I would need it. I ended up having to splice all the wires back together to be able to start the bike. I did an oil change on the bike, and I changed the oil that was in the final drive. So that has fresh oil, in the engine, and then the gas was also bad, so I ended up having to put premium gas in it, and that's probably going to take some time to cycle through. I did end up having to take these locks out, and we'll have to figure out a replacement lock set for it because the key was lost, and to be able to get the seat off, you would have to use the key. My solution to being able to do that was I ended up having to take off this rear frame, and then that allowed me to lift this up and hinge it forward to be able to access the locks from the underside to be able to get it off. As of currently, the bike runs, and it does run a little rough, but I'm attributing that aspect to the gas. And it could also be because the starter sticks sometimes, but it was giving me a hard start. So as I said, it could either be because of the gas and because of this sticking. That it could be not really starting. So what I am going to end up doing is I have a new switch, take this all off and replace it with a new one, and that won't stick anymore.